Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel today. I have a fun little video to share with you guys. Now, a lot of people may or may not know that I have been an eBayer for about 5 years. I started a few years ago. I've been having a lot of fun with it. It's very exciting to me. And I actually was lucky enough that I have inventory on hand. Now, a lot of things I have are DVDs and video games, things like that that I've bought over the years. And probably 95% have not been opened. So I was very fortunate that I have my own inventory and I'm able to have that customer buyer experience with someone who would be a potential customer. I did a video a while back about me going from Florida to Michigan to help my friend who needed to move his items from his warehouse to his new place in Michigan. So let's go ahead and roll that behind the scenes footage where he can explain some things to you guys.
Hey guys, this is Christian here. I'm back. It's a nice, beautiful sunny day today, nice and breezy. And today I am actually at a secret location to show you and prove to you what a true eBay seller does and what they actually have in stock. So let's go ahead and take a quick look, real quick. Remember, guys, this is just a quick preview, if you would, of what a true eBay seller on the website has to go through. Let's show you a few things. We got packing supplies. We got, oh my gosh, so much packing tape. We have more supplies in there. You got crates. You have, let's just say we have a lot of stock. And to show you even more, you know, a lot goes into eBay. I would like to begin with that, be honest. You know, you have to have the right packing supplies, the right size envelopes, the right material to really get the job done. And then I don't know if you guys can see here, let me show you how much stock is actually in the storage here. And let's get this box out the way. Let's see here. And I don't know if you guys noticed, check this out. You got, obviously, what I sell in my eBay store is a lot of media. I sell brand new and used DVDs. And a lot of the stuff is out of print, just to let you know. So, what do we got here? Just to show you real quick. We've got, some of my titles are One Little Indian. A lot of the stuff is out of print and pretty hard to find. Castaway Cowboy with James Garner and Vera Miles. We've got tons and tons of boxes. I probably have about 40 to 50 to 60 boxes that are full of movies and empty covers. And we got digital Palooza shipping scales, as you can see here. And we just have Sex and the City. What is this season? The complete third season. We got Three's Company, Kentucky Fried Movie. We've got, it's one collection after another. This is a huge out of print collection, and it takes a lot of work, guys. Unlike the folks that are drop shipping from Amazon, okay? So this is the reason why I say this is a secret location. Oh, what do we have back here? The Book of the Dead, ladies and gentlemen. This is the original. It's actually a movie, as I'm sure you guys have heard of, or maybe haven't heard of. But I believe there's a a new TV series based upon this movie because it's such a popular hit. And actually, I believe we have two of them. There you go. I mean, we have so many old movies here. Look at that. Look at this collectible right here. A movie called All Nighter. The All Nighter with Susanna Hoffs, Dee Dee Pfeiffer, and John Cusack. I mean, there's tons of movies in here. I just want to show you guys how much work, really, or give you a quick review of how much stuff you have to have in stock in order to truly sell your own items that you actually own, and not order or pre-order from Amazon and go ahead and ship to the customer. Because a lot of times I don't like this. I have nothing against Amazon, but if I'm gonna order something from ebay.com, I do not want my item coming from an Amazon seller, because a lot of times what I've done is I like to order brand new genuine products, not refurbished or used, and then you pay a good 40, 50 bucks or 100 bucks, and then you end up getting a refurbished item when it was actually marked in the eBay listing that is brand new. So I don't appreciate that, and I think there would be a lot of people that would definitely agree with me 100%. So anyways, just want to show you guys how we roll and how much stock we actually have on hand. I will provide my eBay store link just to show you guys of exactly what we sell. And here's a bit more of that collection. Lion of the Desert, The Demons, Something Wicked This Way Comes, famous Rat Pack movies, classic Dick Tracy movies, great cop movies, Demons, They Shoot Horses, Don't They? Girls Just Want to Have Fun, great mafia movies. We have the Heartbreak Kid, okay, One Little Indian, Bobby's World, The Ultimate Strike Force, legendary Sherlock Holmes movies, great John Wayne movies. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. We have in stock that we literally have in stock a little over 100 to 150 titles of brand new movies that are actually listed on the eBay store. I will provide that link in the description. And if you guys liked what you see here, or you want to make any comments, or whatever you guys want to comment on, please let me know. But this is what a true eBay seller has to go through. We're not ordering stuff directly from Amazon, okay? We have items in stock. You purchase today and it gets shipped within a reasonable time. If it doesn't get shipped out today, it gets shipped out tomorrow. But I'm just trying to, So anyways, again, this is Christian. Thank you for watching. And please let me know in the below section. If you'd like to comment, like, or subscribe, please be my guest. That would definitely help out my channel. And you guys have a good one. And I will see you next time.
Now, Chris happens to have a lot of items. What you see there is nothing compared to what he actually has on hand. He's very fortunate that he has all his items are brand new. They've never been opened. And he has a lot of collectibles just like I do. Everything made it there in one piece. Everything was fantastic. But that was just to show you guys there's a lot of work. It's not glamorous that goes into having an eBay store. But the good thing about doing this and not drop shipping is the fact that you can have that one-on-one experience with the customer or a potential customer. And you can say, yes, I've had my hand on this product. This is a real item. This is not something I'm drop shipping from some other town, some other state that I have no idea what it is or who's handled it. That's one way to find out if someone's drop shipping with you, is to ask them, can I see another picture of the item? Can you explain something to me about the item? Chances are most times they can't, and if they can't, that means they're drop shippers. You want to deal with people who actually have a hands-on with their inventory, because they know exactly what it is they have on hand and they want to be able to send it to you directly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.